Are you planning a trip to Santorini, Greece? And wondering what mistakes to avoid? Well, fear not, because I've got you covered. Santorini is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Europe, and with good reason. The whitewashed buildings, stunning beaches, and breathtaking views make for an unforgettable experience, but with so much to see and do, it can be easy to get carried away and make some mistakes. That could ruin your trip, so let's get started. First and foremost, don't forget to research your destination. Santorini is a popular tourist destination, so expect long lines at popular attractions and high prices. Make sure you plan ahead and book your accommodations and transportation well in advance. This will help ensure that you have a comfortable and enjoyable trip. Next, be prepared for the weather. Santorini has a Mediterranean climate, so the weather can be unpredictable. Be sure to bring layers and a rain jacket, especially during the winter months. And if you plan on visiting during the summer, be prepared for the intense heat and high humidity. Another mistake to avoid is getting lost in the crowds. Santorini is quite small, so it's easy to navigate, but with so many tourists, it can be easy to get overwhelmed. Make sure you plan your itinerary ahead of time and stick to the main tourist attractions. And if you plan on renting a car, make sure to download a GPS app and familiarize yourself with the map, as long as they are aware of your expected arrival time. You can pre-arrange a hotel transfer, and a vehicle will be waiting for you. If not, you are at the mercy of the pricey and infrequent buses. Santorini is not the island for you if you're seeking to party. Just be aware that dinner reservations and some live music are more in line with the island's ambience rather than completely skipping it. You only need 2 days in Santorini before moving on to Mykonos or another of the well-known party islands. There is so much more to the island than Oya, despite it being the most well-known and possibly the most romantic. After spending some time relaxing, rent an ATV or use public transportation to explore more of the island. There is much more to the island than just staring at the cliffs and the ocean below, whether it be the black sand beaches, smaller settlements, or visiting a winery. Lastly, be respectful of the environment. Santorini is a protected natural environment, so it's important to be mindful of your waste and avoid damaging the environment. And if you're planning on taking photos, make sure to keep the location clean and avoid disturbing the local wildlife. So, there you have it. Some mistakes to avoid when planning a trip to Santorini, Greece. Remember to be prepared for the weather. Plan your itinerary ahead of time. I'll see you in the next video coming up next. Give this video a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tip videos.